we're going through making a series of videos to show the steps in the software design lifecycle process that we use in Computer Science 156. We are at the step where we have an issue on the Kanban board in the to-do column. That issue has already been fully groomed and it's ready to go. So we're ready to start on that issue. So first thing we're going to do is assign that issue to ourselves. If we're working with a pair partner, we could add another person. For example, Brian Turse could be my pair partner on this issue, and then there's two of us assigned to the issue. I'm actually going to remove Brian because I'm going to work on this by myself. Under label, the label for your team is probably already there, but if it's not, you want to add that. So there are labels under here for all the S21 teams, 5 PM 1, 5 PM 2, 5 PM 3, 5 PM 4. This is actually the staff team that's going to work on this one, since I'm part of the staff team, so I'm going to give that the label. And then that's all we need to do for now to assign this to ourselves. I'll go back to the Kanban board, and I will drag it over to the in progress column to show that I'm working on the issue. Next thing I'm going to do is create a branch for the issue. So I'll go to a directory where I have this repo cloned. I'll do a get status. See that I'm on the main branch. I want to always start by doing a get fetch to update the branch information about my local repo. You can see that what that does is there's a number of folks working on different branches, and this brings information about those branches into my local repo. Now I'm going to do a get checkout main. I'm actually already on the main branch, but you can see that I'm behind, and because I did a get fetch, I now know that I'm behind. So I'm going to do a get pull origin main to update my local main branch. It's important to do that before I create my branch so that I have all of the latest changes that have been made to main. So now I will do a get checkout -b. I'm going to name my branch staff S21. In your case, if you're on a team, you would do something like S21 5 PM 2 hyphen and then a short version of the story. So please call your branch name, start your branch name with S21 6 PM 3 or S21 5 PM 2. We can see some of the branch names here have followed that convention and some have not. We'd like to encourage you going forward to use that convention. It just makes it a lot easier to see what's going on in the project. So this is going to be an S21 staff branch, and it's going to be add instructions to personal schedule page. That will be the name of my branch. I like then to take the name of that branch, go back over to the issue, go to issue, and just add it as a comment. So on issues, you can just add comments, and I'm going to say branch name is, and then put that in there. That kind of helps other people on the team know if they want to see kind of what's going on with this story. They can go look at the branch. So now that the branch is created, it's time to actually start making the code change. This is a very simple code change, but we will do that in a separate video, because in this video I just wanted to concentrate on the steps that you take when you first start a story. So we'll end this one right here.